Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech Helpline. Today I'm going to be showing you how to sign up for State Bank of India. If you want to create an online banking account for SBI and you don't know how, then keep watching the video till the end. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting that subscribe button. Also, press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. Now let's jump right into the video. Open up a web browser of your choice. Go to the URL box and type in www.onlinesbi.com and press enter. This will take you to the official web page of SBI Bank, which looks like this. If you already have an account, go ahead and choose your online banking type and click on the login button. But if you're trying to create a new account, click on New User Registration link. Click on OK in the pop-up, and now this will open up a new tab. Click the Next button and make sure that you've selected New User Registration from the drop-down, and once you click Next, on the next page, fill in the details in order to sign up. Enter your account number that has been mentioned in your passbook or statement of account. Once you do that, head over to the next field. Type in your CIF number that is available on your passbook or your statement of account as well. On the next page, enter your branch code. Your branch code is 5-digit long. Once you type it in, select your country from the drop-down. Now, enter a registered mobile number on the next field. Make sure that you enter the mobile number that is registered with the bank. Right where you can see facility required, click on the drop-down and select one of the options. Enter the text that has been shown right beneath, and finally click on the submit button. On the next page, simply follow the on-screen prompts, and if all of your information is correct, you'll be able to sign up or create a new account for SBI Bank. That was how you can easily sign up for SBI Bank. Now you can easily get access to your online banking account for SBI Bank right from your computer or mobile devices. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. I'll soon be back with more videos like this. Thank you for watching.